So we're fishing here, this little dock here, and fish bite really quick. Oh, that got stuck there. But watch how quick they bite. Oh, oh, lost him. Yeah. Oh, there we go. There's one. Wow. Oh, my dad just caught a big one.
Big one.
Big bluegill. Yeah. Here's this one. So here's a little bluegill I caught. It's a pretty big one. And just gonna keep him for now. Here's the one that my dad caught. It's a big one too. So me and my brother are fishing. We're gonna see who catches fish first. Whoa. We just jump right there. Oh, he just caught one. Little, pretty big bluegill actually. It's nice.
Oh.
Oh no, I just lost a fish. See if I can get him again.